Yesterday, we learned the David L. Lawrence Convention Center was under consideration as a field hospital here in Pittsburgh. But plans are also in the works to treat coronavirus similarly in outlying areas. One involves a possible reopening of the Ellwood City Medical Center. The other is a plan to bring suffering veterans to the Butler VA Hospital. Here's KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan.
Preparations are being made to potentially treat dozens of coronavirus cases, consolidating the treatment of those stricken veterans here at this facility. The VA would not confirm or deny the plan to bring veterans stricken by the virus here for treatment. In a statement saying, quote, "The Butler VA Medical Center has the capacity to take on additional patients and will accept them from other VA facilities if needed. This type of resource sharing is routine within the VA healthcare system during emergencies. Nationally, there are 1,600 veterans who have tested positive and one outpatient here. Sources within the VA say the plan is to treat as many as 50 male sufferers of coronavirus here, transporting them as needed from VA facilities in Ohio, West Virginia, and other parts of Pennsylvania. The VA's plans are similar to other plans to treat a potential surge in coronavirus cases in rural areas. Ellwood City Medical Center closed in December from financial problems and bankruptcy, but is being evaluated by the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency for possible reopening to treat coronavirus cases. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers evaluated the site last night, and PEMA should be making a decision within the next few days.
Within the next week or so, we would expect PEMA and the Department of Health to make any decisions as to the need of the Ellwood City Medical Center and to their plans for usage for that. If PEMA at the state level or the Department of Health or jointly decides that the Ellwood City Medical Center is going to be used in this fight against coronavirus, then they would activate the Army Corps of Engineers.
No word on whether Ellwood City will be selected for reopening or when those stricken veterans may come here, but we will keep you informed. In Butler County, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.